Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be creating this simple makeup look. I'm going to show you how I slayed my face. This is the result. As usual, I want to thank everybody who have subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can be alerted when I post new videos. Keep on watching. Of course, I'm gonna start off with my brows, and for this tutorial I will be using the brow gel from AOA that I bought at Shop Miss A. This brow gel really gives your brows a defined look, and I just thought it would be perfect for the look that I'm creating. I am gonna clean up the bottom of the brows using concealer from AOA as well. I like to place my concealer and then use a small dense brush to just blend it out. For the top of my brows, you know I'm gonna go in with my foundation. The one I'm using is from Fenty Beauty. And now moving on to the eyelids. I am using that same concealer to prep and prime my eyelids to get them ready for eyeshadows. And I'm gonna apply a piece of tape because I wanna get a sharp edge or a sharp outer V. Yes, so I'm starting off with a deep red shadow. I didn't really plan this look. I'm just going with the flow. I'm just choosing colors as I go, but I just know I'm aiming for something simple and nice. And as you can see, my V is starting to take shape, and I'm just using circular motions to just blend it in place. So to diffuse that red color, I'm then going to take a deep orange to put on my lid, the middle part of my lid, and I'm using a flat brush to just pack it on. And for the inner corners, I took some silver eyeshadow because I want to open up the eyes. I want them to look bright, and that's what that silver is for. Of course, my lashes are from Beyoutiful Bells. You can check them out at www.beyoutifulbells.com. So now moving on to the face. Of course, I like to moisturize my face first, and I love to apply my primer so that I get a smooth base to apply my foundation. So I'm removing the tape and wiping off any fallout from the eyeshadows. And I'm also applying some more primer in my T-zone. The one I'm using right now is from Maybelline. It's the Baby Skin Pore Eraser. And then I spritz my face with e.l.f. Mist and Set. So I've tried many different techniques to do my makeup, and this is the one that sticks with me. It's the one that I love. It's the one I get the most compliments on when I do it this way, and that is to highlight and contour before doing my foundation. I know people call it underpainting. When I started doing this back a couple of years ago, which I learned from Wayne Goss on YouTube, I just knew it was highlighting and contouring before foundation, but now they are using the term underpainting. Same thing. So when I do it this way, I like to blend out the darker shades first, so I'm blending out my contour before blending anything else on my face. Another thing when I do my makeup this way, it is all about hydration to get that smooth, flawless result. So you gotta hydrate. After that, I just blended out my liquid blush, and if you notice, I hydrated again with my e.l.f. Mist and Set. And now that I've blended out the contour and the blush, I am moving on to blending out my concealer. All the areas that I've highlighted, I'm gonna blend out, and I'm using a damp beauty blender. And you don't even have to worry about blending perfectly when you do your makeup this way, because you're going to put your foundation on top, which is what you're seeing happening right now. I have dotted my foundation all over my face, and I'm going in with the same damp beauty blender to just blend everything out. It looks crazy right now, but I promise you, trust the process. The end result is gonna be so beautiful, and I'm not talking just on video. It is so pretty in the daytime. It is really pretty. Another tip I have for you is that you have to blend and be patient to get the flawless look you're supposed to get when you do your makeup. So blending is key and hydration is key. If you are enjoying the video so far, if you are learning from this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, remember, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so we can, stay in touch. Alright, I'm applying some banana powder underneath my eyes and all the areas that I highlighted with a concealer. And then I am gonna move on to powder contouring, and that palette I just showed you, it is the Sacha Buttercup palette. Just take your time and beat that face or pamper that face until you get the flawless makeup look that you're supposed to get. Makeup takes time, or I should say beautiful makeup takes time to do. For the other areas of my face that I did not highlight or contour, I'm using a powder in my shade to just set those areas. And I always switch my brushes. For each section I should switch my brushes, sorry. And for the extra powder underneath my eye, I use the same brush I'm using to set my my complexion. I just use that to just brush off the extra powder. Now I'm going in and setting my blush. And the final step in this look is to just buff everything out. To do this, I take a pressed powder in my complexion and a dense brush, and I just use circular motions to brush the product into my skin. This will seal everything in place. It will also make sure everything is seamless and will give you a flawless finish. So I finished off with setting spray, and I use the same e.l.f. mist and set spray. And if you notice, I am just now applying some highlighter to my face after misting my face. That way it makes your highlighter shows up more. To finish off with the lips, I am lining my lips with a burgundy pencil from Shany Cosmetics. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and fill those in with a nude lipstick. And just putting on the little finishing touches underneath my eyes. And some mascara to finish everything off. My mascara is from Maybelline. And there you have it, guys. This is the finished look. It is so beautiful, so quick and easy. If you like this look, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much, guys. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. Check out my website. I have great press-ons like these that I'm wearing and these lashes that I'm wearing. The website is www.beautifulbells.com. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and join the family, and also the notification bell so you will be alerted when I post new videos. Remember to think beautiful, be beautiful. See you in my next video. Bye.